In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot website. If you're looking to quickly establish your online presence using HubSpot's tools, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure you have a clear, functional website ready in no time. First things first, you need to log in or sign up for HubSpot if you haven't already. HubSpot offers a seamless user experience, so once you're signed in, you're all set to begin the website creation journey. HubSpot's content management system, or CMS, provides the critical tools you'll need to both build and manage your website effectively. One of the greatest strengths of HubSpot's CMS is its user-friendly interface, which makes it an attractive choice for both beginners and experienced users seeking to build robust websites. Next, you'll want to click on the Create Website button. This is where the fun truly begins, as it sets the stage for you to start shaping your digital space. HubSpot will then prompt you to choose a website theme or template. They have a marketplace bustling with a variety of free and premium themes, catering to different styles and business needs. If you're feeling creative and want something original, you might prefer starting with a blank template. Once you've selected your theme, the customization phase kicks in. This part is crucial as it reflects your brand's personality. Using the drag and drop editor, which is remarkably intuitive, you can customize the theme, add your content, and adjust the layout. This flexibility allows you to fully tailor the site's visuals to align with your brand identity. Now, it's time to create key pages for your website. Think of the home page, the About Us page, the contact page, and any other pages integral to your business operations. These pages are fundamental for providing visitors with the information they seek. Following that, you'll implement lead capture elements. Strategically integrate forms, calls to action, and other interactive elements to engage with your audience and, importantly, capture leads to grow your network and foster relationships. SEO and user experience shouldn't be overlooked. Optimize your website to be mobile-friendly, ensure it loads quickly, and is easy to navigate. This is essential for both search engines and user retention. Moving forward, you need to connect your website to a custom domain. Doing so not only makes your site live, but also elevates your brand's professionalism online. Before you hit that publish button, be sure to test and preview your website across different devices and browsers. It's vital to ensure that everything functions impeccably and consistently. Finally, once satisfied with your configurations, launch your website and keep an eye on its performance using HubSpot's built-in analytics tools. This will provide insightful data to help you track and improve your website's performance over time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functioning HubSpot website. Happy building!